I love creating characters and making stories. My main medium is digital art. I really, really enjoy it. It's like my main passion. My name is Patricia McKean. I'm from the Gundijtmara mob. That's all the way at the end of the Great Ocean Road. And I did the North Melbourne Library murals.
The library is really the centre of the community. Our programs are a great way for our families to socialise, to learn, read and connect. We're having a lovely renovation that's going to transform the space. It's going to be a space entirely for kids and young adults. It's just going to revitalise the space and bring a new life.
We have these magnificent new murals that completely enhance the experience. I think they really add to that sense of libraries being a space where people can be curious, they can be inspired, they can be amazed.
The inspiration behind the art is just like showing imagination and stories that come through books. Books are a huge part of childhood. In my culture, it's a big thing to storytell. Very important to keep culture going.
There are children depicted of all different backgrounds in the artwork, so hopefully that means that our community are going to see themselves reflected.
Having characters that represent all sorts of people interacting with the world around them. It's just a huge flow of imaginative adventure and exploration.
It's also very dreamlike with lots of different animals, and so hopefully that will inspire some creativity and imagination.
I'm really excited that it's going to be seen by a lot of kids, and I hope it just brings like a sense of joy to everybody.